Files are often sold without handles, but they shouldn't be used until a handle of the right size has been fitted. The handle should be checked before use. It can come loose and it may need a sharp wrap to tighten it up. Clean hands will help avoid slipping. Hands should always be kept away from the surface of the file and the metal that's being worked on. Filing can produce small slithers of metal which can be difficult to remove from a finger or hand. And acids and moisture from the skin can cause corrosion. What makes one file different from another is not just its shape, but how much material it's designed to remove with each stroke. That depends on the teeth. These are both flat files, the most common general purpose type, but their teeth are different. The teeth on this coarse grade file are longer, with a greater space between them. Filing this piece of mild steel removes a lot of material with each stroke. A coarse file leaves a rough finish. This is a flat file, but its shorter teeth remove much less material on each stroke. And the finish is much smoother. On a job, the coarse file is used first to remove material quickly. Then a smoother file gently removes the last of it and leaves a clean finish to the work. The full list of grades in flat files from rough to smooth is rough, coarse bastard, second cut, smooth, and dead smooth. Some flat files are available with one smooth edge, called safe edge files. They allow filing up to an edge without damaging it. Flat files are fine on straightforward jobs, but files need to be able to work in some awkward spots as well. A warding file is thinner than normal for working in narrow slots. A square file has teeth on all four sides, so you can use it in a square or rectangular hole. A square file can make the right shape for a square metal key to fit in a slot. This is a 3-square file. It's triangular in section, so it can get into internal corners. Curved files are either half-round or round. This is a half-round. Its shallow convex surface can file in a concave hollow or in an acute internal corner. The fully round file, sometimes called a rat tail file, can make holes bigger. Or it can file inside a concave surface with a tight radius. This is a thread file. It cleans clogged or distorted threads. It has 8 different surfaces that match different thread dimensions, so the right face must be used. Files should be cleaned after use. If they're clogged, they can be cleaned by a tool that's really part of the family called a file card or file brush. Depending on how hard or soft the material is, a special file may be needed. It's no good trying to file something if the file is softer than what is being filed. And softer metals like copper and aluminium can clog a conventional file.